Hey Judy.
Hey Kat.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
I have a question.
Sure.
Well, I have a few questions actually. It's about the manual, if you have time.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So, I'm looking at the manual, and how does the contact sensitive help works, and why do we have it?
Oh, that's really easy. Context sensitive help is basically you access it by clicking on that little question mark in the upper right hand corner of the product. And when you click back into the product, you're going to open up our help system exactly on the topic that covers whatever it is you were working on. So instead of having to like scroll through the entire manual or do a keyword search or something, you're just right at the help that you need.
Right. And I know that we've recently launched the NX Witness 3.2. So what do we expect from a manual perspective, like what's in there right now?
That was a lot of changes.
Okay.
Let's see, they're huge. Of course, I brought it up to current feature set, so it now shows everything that we've done in the development. There are lots of changes to the structure and organization because I sort of group things more logically and organize topics to stay together. So, for example, there's a section on the user interface that covers all the panels and what they do, describes the timeline, and gets into descriptions of layout and items and how you move those around. And then further on in more detail, you get into how you actually use those fields and those sections.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is a big manual that we're expecting. A lot of things is happening on the manual.
Yeah, there are a lot of changes. There are a lot of changes to the user, to the event rules. And again, the discussion was updated so that it's really clear. There's like a conceptual section about how it works, and then all the events. We have generic events. There's a lot of stuff about the API calls. What else was new? I made a lot of changes. There's some introductory sections on archive, retention, and storage behavior, how you index the indexing database that maps where things are stored. There are a lot of discussions of system merging and how you handle moving your servers around and renaming them, things that sometimes customers needed a little extra help with.
Wow, okay. Well, thank you very much for your help, Judy.
You bet.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Bye.